Welcome to this guided meditation. Listen to this meditation when you are tensed, stressed, having anxiety. It will give you peace. It will help you to relax your body. Find some quiet place and get comfortable. You can sit on the chair or you can lie on the bed. Whatever is comfortable for you, do that. Take a long, deep breath through your nose and exhale through your mouth. You will do this for 5 times. Deep breathe in and breathe out. This is only your time, so relax your whole body, relax your mind. Notice the breath. While inhaling, your stomach is rising, and while exhaling, it is falling. If you cannot feel this, put your hand on your stomach. Feel the rise and fall. Bring your full attention to your body. Notice your shoulder, your chest, your stomach. Notice the movement of your body because of breathing. You don't have to breathe in certain way to see this movement. Just let it happen by its own. As you continue to pay attention to your breath, already you started feeling relaxed. Now you will observe your whole body. You will pay attention to one area at a time. Let's start with your forehead. Relax it. All tension, stress are removed from your forehead. Relax it. Then relax your eyes. Relax your lips. Relax your chin. Relax all your facial muscles. You can feel the calmness in your face. You can feel the relaxation in your neck. All burden, stress, tension are removed from your shoulder. Now your shoulder is relaxed. Feel it. Feel the relaxation. Relax your arms. You let go all your tension from your hands. Relax your fingers. You can feel the relaxation is moving from shoulder to your fingertips. You can feel the calmness and relaxation in your arm. Your upper body is totally relaxed. Now relax your chest, relax your stomach, relax your spine. You can feel that calmness and relaxation travels from your head to bottom of the spine. You are feeling so happy, relaxed. You are feeling very positive. Now relax your hips, relax your thighs, relax your legs, relax your back. All tension, stress, anxiety going away from your body. Your body is still, your mind is calm. Now notice the area where you are sitting or lying. Observe the contact area. Your deep breathe in and breathe out, helping you to relax your full body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Relax your feet. Relax your toes. You can feel some tingling sensation in your leg. Now your whole body is relaxed. As you listen to this music, you let go all your tension and relax your whole body. The main purpose of this meditation is to live in present moment. If your mind gets diverted, it is okay. Slowly bring your focus back on your breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Remember, someday meditation will be very easy. Someday it will be very tough to concentrate. But the main thing is to sit with this meditation at least for 10 minutes. No matter how you are feeling, how your mood or concentration is. Now bring back your focus on your breathing. If you hear any sound from your surroundings, it is okay. Listen to it. Don't try to shut it down. Deep breathe in and breathe out. Imagine all your stress, body pain, anxiety leaving your body with exhale. And while inhaling, you are bringing positivity, calmness, relaxation in your body. You can come to this meditation anytime in a day, whenever you want. Whenever you do this meditation, you become more relaxed, calm, and happy. You are making your present moment better with this meditation. Continue paying attention to your breath. More time is passing. Your body is getting relaxed more. Your mind and body both are relaxed. With exhale, all negative belief, stress, anxiety got removed. Now your body and mind is calm, relaxed, happy, and positive. You are experiencing inner peace. Your body is still. Your mind is calm. Now, allow your mind to do whatever it wants. Whatever thoughts are coming, don't stop. Allow it. You are getting thoughts, intuitions. Think whatever you want to think. Now slowly bring your attention back to your body. Notice the contact area. Notice where you are sitting. Hear the sound around you. Observe the space around you. Now slowly you will open your eyes. I will count 1 to 5 and slowly you will open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How are you feeling now? You can come back to this meditation anytime in a day. But I will suggest you to practice this meditation at least for 21 days and you will see the result.